Tools needed. I'll be using French curve. There's an armhole curve already in our French curve. Using scissors, pen, and tape. So our shoulder measurement is 15. 15 divided by 2, it gave us 7.5. So you put a mark on 7.5. On that same mark, you go down by 1 inches. This is 1 inches. Then you draw your slant straight. Don't forget our paper is in fold. So this is our first slant for the shoulder. So we're going to get another 1 inches. This 1 inches here is the allowance for joining the shoulder together. So this is it. So our shoulder to nipple is 10. So we're going to measure from here to 10. If you want it to be accurate, you can measure from the beginning of the paper, which is 11.5, to where this 10 is 11.5. Then you take it down to this part, 11.5. 11.5. Bring it closer to this side again and mark your 11.5. You draw a straight line on 11.5. So we can call this line our shoulder to nipple. Then from here, that's the middle of the outfit. We are going to measure our nipple to nipple. Our nipple to nipple is 8. 8 divided by 2, it will give us 4. This is 4 here, but we're going to add 0.5 as our sewing allowance. So this is 0.5 here. So this point here is what we call our bust point. Next is under bust measurements. So our shoulder to the under bust is 13 inches, which is 3 inches from the nipple. So we just measure 3 inches, 3 inches, 3 inches. So we call this line under bust, which I'll just use UB. This is our under bust. Then our full length. Our length of top is 23. 23 plus 2 inches, because we are going to turn the outfit using lining. So we are adding additional 2 inches as our allowance. So 2 plus 23, it will give us 25. This is 25 here. So I'll take it up again to get equal measurements. So this is 26.35. This is here 26.35. 26.35. 26.35. So we'll mark it straight to ensure our measurement is accurate. So this is our length of top. So we'll just write L on this line. Alright, back to our nipple measurement. So from our nipple measurements here, we're having 4.5. So we're going to minus 1 inches backward from the middle, 1 inches from this side also. So we'll go down to the under bust part. So if we minus 1 inches from 4.5, we're going to have 3.5. This is 3.5 here. Take it down and mark 3.5. We'll come here again, mark 1 inches from your 3.5. That's exactly where our bust point is. This is 1 inches here, then another 1 inches. This is 1 inches here, and this is another 1 inches. So we're going to connect the first line straight to where the bust point is. So this is a straight line from our bust point straight to the